What's up? I'm back and I traded Friday. I did something I don't usually do. Reason why? Gold had not reversed all week, and like I've said before, you either get a reversal, you get one reversal each week. And it usually happens on Thursday. Every now and then they'll screw you over and do it on Wednesday. But a give me trade is if they don't do it on Wednesday and Thursday, it's guaranteed to happen on Friday. So we had reached down into a monthly order block. Remember I said if it's going to continue up, red candles should be respected. So this is why I had this area marked off. Go down to the weekly, you see even better. Right here, ran right down into this weekly. Daily, you see even better. Ran down into here. Four-hour. You see all these. Price would have had to break all of this, and that's just highly unlikely. 1 hour. This white line is the mean threshold or the middle of that area, which is why I have it. As you see how price, because this is a monthly, you see how price reacts to this area. Even here, how it bounces off of it. And this is an hourly, so you can see my daily dividers. And you see we've been dropping all week with no significant reverse. So what I want to see happen, I was looking at this order block here, this hourly, and I put this line here because that's the middle of these three candles. When it's three like this, you do the middle of the candle. And that's as far as I really want to see price go. I'll just go straight to the 5. And I got in a little early. I was waiting on price to come down and at least touch this area and reject. More or less wanted to get to this line. It got here around 9:30, so I got in a little early. I got in at 58.60. Let me make sure I'm doing that. Yeah, I got in at 60.58. Right in here, a little early. Like I said, there's no point in me just, you see where I got in. News was at 11, so since it didn't pop off at 9:30, I knew probably the 95% chance they were going to use news to pop it off. As you see, 11 o'clock was news. I think it was the Fed chair speaking. The news really don't matter. They just use the news to move the market. Even the Fed chair probably didn't even say anything worth anything. And it kind of faked you out because 11 o'clock happened and it ran up. Barely took them highs and then gave me this candle. For most people, they would look at this and think, okay, this is going to drop now. But I stayed in because, like I said, we have not had a reversal. And as you see what happened, it shot off. I took partials around here, got out at 71.90 with partial. So right in here, I left a small runner going, a point. I did this with a 0.10, so $1 a point. On gold they trade with points instead of pips, and I took all 0.08 here and left 0.02 running and got out at 80.31. I set a stop loss. I should have just took it at this line. I thought it was going to get to the middle of this. Because that was, when you go back here, and you run a fib from the highest point here to here, that was 50% was right around in here, so I thought it was gonna get up in here, right? But it did not. So I set a stop loss at 80.31. So right in here, it's hard to get it exactly, but right in here, you see, and it stopped me out. But I made 90. Egg on it. Yeah, the blur is going real crazy today. I made $90.56 on the first trade. After the partials were taken, I made another $39.46. And you see if it showed the account. Now the account's at $429.73 from 96 cents. I'm at $96. So this is the times where I break my rules and will take a trade on a Friday in New York session. When all these things line up, it was pretty much a gimme trade. But that was the end of my week. And now we can move up to a 0.20 on pairs and GJ, and probably a 0.15 on gold next week. Till next time.